take them their sweet time. Well, I never thought we'd go to trial. I wore your shoes, I walked your miles. Love is nothing I can do without. It's proven now, beyond a doubt. 12 angry men can't get a line. Fall back on Providence divine. They broke no last appeals. The die is cast, my fate is sealed. But the jury is still out on you, and they can't make up their mind. No, the jury's still out on you, and they've yet to fall in line. The jury's still out on you, and they'll take their sweet time.
Well, most of you have probably been to a Goodwill store before, and so you know there's lots of hidden treasures and great bargains in there, but you really have to spend a lot of time there and hang out in order to get those good deals. I know someone who does just that, and so this song is about her. It's called Queen of the Second Hand. Lead me out. Yeah. Parking at the meter, wait till the coin drops. Just in time to meet her down at the thrift shop. Look around for the hand-me-down that someone's bound to need, like a pair of sequin lavender high tops. Gotta find a way to spend every minute with the queen of the second hand. Wish I knew a way to save every minute for the queen of the second hand. She's a queen of the second hand. She can pick a sweater up from a yard sale. Suits me so much better than anything retail. When the tag has the price marked down, it's always bound to please. Pressing to the letter down to my coattails. Gotta find a way to spend every minute with the queen of the second hand. Wish I knew a way to save every minute for the queen of the second hand. She's a queen of the second hand. She's the miner of the diamond in the rough and the finder of the needle in the hay. When I ask her, will it ever be enough, she says no way. I say alright, okay. Bell bottoms and well-worn jeans that no one seems to need. No.
could be sweeter than snagging the last pair. Gotta find a way to spend every minute with the queen of the second hand. Wish I knew a way to save every minute for the queen of the second hand. Gotta find a way, gotta find a way, gotta find a way to save every minute. Wish I knew a way to save every minute for the queen of the second hand. She's the queen of the second hand. Thank you. You know, time was, if you had a dime in your pocket, you could get a cup of coffee or call a friend, because there was a payphone on every corner. Well, those days are gone, aren't they, Charlie? Bye-bye. Nowadays, well, first of all, coffee's more expensive than gasoline. But if you want to feed that same dime into a payphone, you may have to go to a museum to find one. Yes, the American payphone is on its last legs, and someone had to write it a requiem. And that someone is me, Last Payphone. Used to be relevant, had a seat at the main event. Oh, but those were the golden days. Why did we ever part ways? Lonely vigil through the dead of night. Carry on signal from a pool of light. This payphone rings forever. This payphone rings forever. Someone knew him down the lane. He was stylish and self-contained, liberated from ties that bind. You never saved your spare dimes. Silence broken on the moonlit town. Promise unspoken in the plainest sound. This payphone rings forever. This payphone rings forever. Who would pay any heed to the last of a dying breed? So hard to compete when you're already obsolete and forsaken. Lonely vigil through the dead of night. Carry on signal from a pool of light. This payphone rings forever. This payphone rings forever. Silence broken on the moonlit town. Promise unspoken in the plainest sound. This payphone rings forever. This payphone rings forever. I heard you say it's never ever too late. It's never too late. It's never too late. Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Charlie.